Enlil wind turbine. Traditional ways of producing electricity are disastrous for the planet. If we don't want to face the deplorable consequences of environmental degradation, we have to come up with alternative, less harsh ways to produce it. Equipment that produces electricity using wind power was invented back in the 19th century. Since then it has been perfected, but windmills are still impossible to use in the city. However, a way to use air to produce electricity in cities has now been invented, and it's already brought some benefits in Turkey, where it was invented and first tested. The Enlil turbine does not use natural wind to generate electricity, but airflows created by buses when they go in opposite directions. It turns out that the airflows they produce are enough for the turbines to revolve around their axis. At the moment, the project is under testing, but about 300 turbines have already been placed along a road in a Turkish city. It's noteworthy that if the tests are successful, such turbines can be used throughout the city, because they have a compact design and don't take up much space. In a few years, the Enlil air turbines may well become a source of endless renewable energy for cities. Works Hydro Shot. Here is a tool that can help you wash any items in or outside the house, using only water. The Works Hydro Shot is a high-pressure spray gun that connects to any source of clean water. It's noteworthy that it doesn't have to be a pipe or a hose. You can throw the pipe of the gun into any clean pond, such as a river or a lake. Sprayed water instantly washes away any dirt, so you won't feel any difference. It can be used to clean metal, tiles, vehicle surfaces, furniture in the yard and garden. Interestingly, the Works Hydro Shot will even clean rough fabric. The manufacturer offers several nozzles to adjust the pressure of the water spray. Thus, the tool can be used not only for cleaning, but also, for example, for watering plants. In addition, Works Hydro Shot has optimal portability. As a source of water, you can use water bottles, so you can clean whatever you need virtually anywhere. You can buy this universal cleaning gun for $120. Diluvium Dry Flood Barrier. Every year, people in hundreds of places around the world face the consequences of flooding. National services for the prevention of such impending disasters are doing everything possible to protect people and their property, but this is often not enough. Traditional methods of protection are difficult to install, sandbags are heavy, building barriers takes time, equipment, and people. The design you see on the screen is the world's first portable and flexible barrier that can be built around the house in no time. When you receive a notice of imminent flooding, every second counts, and that's why the barrier Diluvium is designed in such a way that its assembling takes less than half an hour. At the same time, it requires no special equipment except for the teamwork of 2 people. The barrier consists of many modules that are connected by a cord. That's why it can take any shape and go around corners. Diluvium has a stable construction too. When water arrives, its pressure seals the barrier to the place, so everything inside it remains dry. According to the manufacturer, such barriers cost as much as sandbags, but they have much less weight, they're easier to install, and they can be used more than once. Dual-headed spray wand. The process of painting walls doesn't necessarily have to take a long time. Today there are already special sprayers that allow you to quickly apply the paint to the surface in an even, neat layer. Specialists at the British company Spraydex apparently decided that there is no limit to perfection, and developed a new, innovative sprayer that allows you to do the job even faster. Its secret is in a special nozzle that sprays paint, not with one jet as usual, but with two. Thanks to this design, the working width of the tool is 61 cm, which is ideal if you need to paint a large surface. Dual-head spray wand has been designed for large-scale commercial and residential projects. Thread robe. Here is a device that can greatly facilitate the process of sorting clean clothes. After all, it's not only washing and drying. After that, you still need to iron, then gently fold each piece and put it in a special place. The thread robe looks like a washing machine drum hidden behind the cabinet door. However, it's actually an innovative invention that's ready to perform most of the tedious work for a person. All you have to do is pull a bunch of clothes out of the dryer and then load it into the drum. The system independently hangs things on hooks and shelves so that everything's in its right place. Thread robe works in tandem with a mobile app. When you need to wear something, just use this application to choose the right thing from your wardrobe. The system selects a given thing, steams it so that it's not wrinkled, and then sends it to the same loading tank. You can just take the thing out, it's ready to wear. It's noteworthy that the application has a calendar that allows you to plan outfits that the system prepares for the desired day and hour. It's also worth noting that the thread robe is quite smart. It can distinguish between clean and dirty clothes, analyze the frequency of wear, and can even show the percentage of colors in the wardrobe. The rocket. Traditionally, cleaning a paint roller is a long and messy process, but engineers from Green Leos have come up with a solution that can greatly simplify it. The device you see on the screen is called the rocket. It allows you to clean the rollers stained with the paint in just a couple of seconds, without even soiling your hands. According to the manufacturer, it was created by painters for painters to finally save the workers from long and painful cleanings. For effective washing, the device uses water pressure while intensively rotating the roller around its axis. The rocket is designed so that it can be used at home. The standard water pressure in the tap is enough to power the device. The developers highlight two main benefits of their invention. First, it's environmentally friendly, and secondly, it's able to save money, as you don't need to throw away the roller, but clean it and use it again. According to statistics, in the United States alone, people throw 650,000 used rollers annually. Mass use of the rocket will significantly reduce this number. You can buy it for $60.